a lazy garden from scratch and bid farewell to the chores of weeding and watering. Commence by identifying the ideal location. This spot should bask in at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily and boast good drainage and air circulation. The second step involves preparing the soil. Do a quick pH test and make necessary adjustments. Enrich the soil structure and fertility by mixing in organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. Choosing the right plants is the third step. Opt for low-maintenance plants that are well adapted to the local climate and soil conditions. These plants should require minimal watering, pruning, and care. Next, mulch and cover. Apply a generous layer of organic mulch and consider utilizing a weed barrier fabric. This will deter the growth of unwanted weeds. Watering efficiently is the fifth step. Install a drip irrigation system or soaker hose to deliver water straight to the roots. Remember, deep but infrequent watering is key. Lastly, add a layer of decorative stone or gravel. This not only enhances the aesthetics of your garden, but also assists in weed suppression and drainage. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, a beautiful, low-maintenance, lazy garden can thrive with minimal effort on your part. So go ahead and transform your gardening experience. And remember, for more gardening tips and tricks,